Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial of Tech Assist. In this guide video, I will be showing you how to delete contact from Google account. Now before we get started, make sure to check your internet connection and also make sure to watch the video till the end. Now without any further delay, let us get started. So in order to delete your contact from Google account, first of all you'll have to open your phone settings. Now once you open your phone settings, all you have to do is scroll down and down there you can see accounts, tap on it. So once again you'll have to do the same process, that is tap on accounts. Now on the other page, in case if you have a multiple Google account, so from here you'll have to select a certain account in which you want to delete all your contacts. Now on the other page, once you're done selecting your Google account, down there you can see Google account, info, security and personalization, tap on it. So on the other page you will land inside the info about your Google account. Now under your username you can see home, personal information, data and privacy. Now what you have to do is just tap on it and then swipe towards the left hand side corner, and then you will find an option called people and sharing, tap on it. So as soon as you tap on people and sharing, down there you can see contact information. Now right at the bottom there you can see contacts, just tap on it. Now here on the other side you can see that these are all the contact lists that are saved on my Google account. Now in order to delete them, first of all you'll have to select the contact that you want to delete. So in order to select it, what you have to do is long press on the contact information. Now once you long press on it, there you can see right at the corner in the left hand side, you can see a box, so you'll have to tap on it. Now here as you can see, this contact has been selected. Now in order to delete all the contact all at once, what you have to do is right on top in the upper left corner, there you can see blue arrow icon, just tap on it, and once you tap on it there is a small pop-up window, so tap on all. So here as you can see that all the contact list has been selected, and then tap on the three dot icon which is right on top and then tap on delete. Now once again there is a confirmation, so tap on delete. Now that is how you can delete contact from Google account. Now that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.